Welcome back to Joystick Jokers.
He sees you. He sees you. He's gonna attack you. You're dead. You're dead.
Dude, stop freaking me out!
He's right behind you. Here we go. We grab the pee. Grab the pee. Throw the pee. Throw the pee. Get out of here, Steve.
Now take the pee. Take the pee in the hole, baby.
And now I get on you. And then you get on me. And then I get on you.
Yeah.
And then you get on me. Let's jump in the pee hole. Shit. Come on, dude.
Where?
He's right there!
Holy shit, you're right!
Purple's a neutral color, bitch!
I was in between them! I'm gonna freaking hit him with my axe! Hell yeah!
Dang.
Axe is
That
right!
freaking murdered him. There's another! There's another!
Oh, how'd you do that?
I don't know! But I'm pissed! I'ma poke you! I'ma poke you! Dude, I freaking poked you!
Oh, I saved the day. Well, for me.
You dick. I love you. You know I love you,
Should I switch to
right?
my shotgun?
You know I freaking adore you, right?
Yeah.
When was the last time we played this game?
I was a virgin.
Yeah, get the shotgun! Get the shotgun! Get the shotgun!